Po yung DTF machine po namin dito sa Tuguegarao. Nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 26. Ito naman ang printer head. Ito naman yung cupping. Head clean. Punasan naman ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level namin is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste tank na nalinis kahapon. AVR na may 220 volt. Ito naman yung yung ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng use. Unused ink, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman yung records na nagamit sa cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, DTF powder, and white. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist.